Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to discuss three important types of research: basic, applied and action research. Understanding these types is important because it guides your research design, purpose and outcomes. In this lecture, we will cover definitions, purposes, differences and examples in education. So the first type is basic research. Basically, it's research done to expand our knowledge without thinking about immediate practical use. Its main purpose is to develop theories or to understand fundamental principles. For example, exploring how students process information in the brain is basic research. You might not use it immediately, but it adds to theoretical knowledge. Next is applied research. Applied research is done to solve real world problems. Its main purpose is to improve practice or outcomes, inform policies or decisions. For example, evaluating a new teaching method in schools is applied research because it has immediate practical implications. Basically, applied research is solution oriented while basic research is knowledge oriented. The third type is action research. Now let us talk about action research. Basically, this is research conducted by practitioners like teachers to improve their own practice. It follows a cyclical process: plan, act, observe and reflect. For example, a teacher might try a new reading strategy in class, observe how students respond, and adjust the strategy based on findings. Action research is both practical and reflective, producing immediate benefits while contributing knowledge. Here are the key differences. Basic research is knowledge oriented, focuses on theory, produces understanding. Applied research is problem solving, focuses on practical outcomes used in policy or programs. Action research, it improves practitioners' own practice. This is cyclical and reflective, produces both solutions and insights. Basically, R3 are important in education depending on your goal and context. These three types of research are connected. Basic research develops theories. Applied research uses those theories to solve problems. Action research applies research directly in practice. So basically, knowledge creation, problem solving and practice improvement are all linked in educational research. Let's look at the example of basic, applied and action research in education. Basic research is studying cognitive processes. It is also investigating memory retention patterns. Applied research, on the other hand, is testing e-learning platforms or evaluating inclusive education strategies. Action research is when a teacher refining a lesson plan based on student performance or implementing classroom management techniques and adjusting. Action research is more hands-on, applied research is broader solutions, and basic research is theoretical foundations. Basically, when choosing research types, ask yourself, what is my goal? If your goal is theory development, use basic research. If your goal is solving practical problems, use applied research. If your goal is improving your own practice or experience, use action research. Sometimes you can combine types for more comprehensive study. Basically, clarity in your goal helps design a focused and effective study. So to summarize, basic research is knowledge oriented and focuses on theory. Applied research is practical and focuses on solving problems. Action research is practitioner focused, reflective and improves practice. All three are interconnected and complementary in educational research. Understanding these types helps you choose the right approach of your study.